Happy 2022. If you're looking for a reason to be positive about the new year, look no further than the year we just finished. In 2021, our economy, our country really, faced four massive headwinds. For starters, there was COVID, including the Delta and Omicron variants. Then you had the supply chain disruptions that we haven't seen ever before. Commodity prices hit all-time highs. And also there was a labor shortage, meaning companies couldn't hire enough people to do all of the work. And despite those massive headwinds, what happened? Well, it was a great year. The stock market was up about 20%. The fourth quarter GDP grew estimated 9%. And once again, the unemployment rate is back down to levels we haven't seen since 1969. Now, I'm not saying that 2022 isn't going to throw us a few curveballs that we can't see coming, but if 2021 taught us anything, it's that we are a resilient country. I think the best way I heard it put was in 2022, think positive, test negative. That's not mine. That was from an interview I saw on TV with Richard Fisher, who was the former Fed chair of the Dallas Federal Reserve Bank. So in 2022, my hope for you is to think positive, test negative. We'll see you soon.